All right, let me get it.
Okay, let me go. Are we ready for this shit?
One time, one time, one time, one time, one time.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay weighing in at 198.8 pounds. We got lots in this video today, so check it out.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Just Jordan here. Yeah, so because we didn't really get to hit arms properly yesterday, we're gonna hit them again today. So yeah, I'm just going to do a quick mobility warm-up, and then I already did 10 minutes on the treadmill. I think this treadmill is almost time to go in the garbage. We've tried to fix it a couple times, but it's lasted. My sister bought this for like 150 bucks a couple years ago. I think it's time to eventually get a new one when I can afford it. But it's still going, but it's on its last legs. Anyways, so I'm gonna hit a quick mobility warm up here, and then we're gonna hit an arm workout. And you'll see. I'll take you through some of the exercises today. I'm gonna start. We're gonna do just some downward dog. Oh man, I definitely have had a tightness in my legs ever since I started jogging a lot. So I love doing, especially this hip opening stretch here. This is a great warm up. I'm kind of getting the whole body into things here, into an upward dog. And now we'll flex up, so we just slowly start getting everything moving, and then we'll get deeper kind of into each stretch as we go. When we're warming up, it's important to not hold things for too long, because we want to keep the elasticity in our muscles. So dynamic warm-ups, especially for the start of a workout, is kind of where it's at. Oh yeah, okay, I'm feeling good. We're gonna start with some, you'll see. One of the best exercises you can do for your bicep is actually a close grip chin up. So chin up is reverse grip, pull up, supinated, pronated. Doesn't matter. Oh wait, no, supinated, pronated. I always remember because soup, you can hold soup with the supinated. Anyways, so close grip, chin ups, great. It's gonna hit your back, but it's also gonna hit a lot of your bicep when you're pulling up. Great for your forearms. One of the best, because you're really loading and you're stretching out your bicep when you're doing these. So let's get to it. I'm going to try to get my hair out of the way. What if I went like this, actually? Already feeling good after set one. We're gonna hit a couple sets of these, no problem. When it comes to arm day, I don't do arm day very often, maybe once or twice a month. I typically just add in biceps and triceps on either back or chest day. But when I do an arm day, what I like to do is rotate the exercises. So I think I just did 4 sets of 8 to 10 chin-ups, close grip chin-ups. So we got a pretty good bicep pump going on. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna switch exercises. We're gonna switch muscle groups. I like to kind of go bicep, tricep. Or I pick whatever the most whatever the most taxing exercise is. So sometimes I'll do like a close grip bench press or something like that, just to get a little bit more tricep engagement. And yeah, when you're doing things like a close grip tricep, close grip bench, you're gonna hit a lot of triceps. You're still gonna hit some chest, and that's why. And then why I would do that over the chin-ups is because your risk for injury is higher on the bench. So there's just things like that that I like to take into account. Anyways, the next exercise we're gonna do is overhead tricep extensions. Now, I like to get a little bit closer if you could when you're doing these. I have a couple issues. For one, my hair gets in the way. And for two, these dumbbells I use at home are pretty large, like wide. So I have to flare my elbows out just a little bit more, but I try to tuck them in as much as possible. Now, I like, especially on arm days, I like to do a lot of overhead tricep because you're gonna get a huge stretch in the tricep heads. I do a lot of push-ups and I do a lot of chest and pressing, so I get a lot of tricep work from doing a lot of pressing movement. So when I do an arm day, I like to get a lot of overhead movements, skull crushers, standing, you know. So anyways, we'll hit a set of these. I might be able to go a little bit heavier, I'm not sure. We'll see how this goes. I haven't done these in a little while. You see, I wish I could, I guess I can come a little bit closer with the elbows, but I'd like to have them. But what's important is that they're behind your back. The further the dumbbells are behind you, the more stretch you'll be able to get in the tricep head. This is a good weight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was a good set. That was a good amount of weight. I really like to get deep with these if you got the mobility in your elbows and your shoulders, because that's really gonna stretch out the tricep. And when you're stretching out the muscle, when you're stretching it out and you're loading it, that's really how you're going to build / maintain the muscle. Anyways, we're gonna do a bunch of sets of these. Then we're just gonna go into some regular bicep curls, hammer curls, and probably a set of close grip push-ups. And then we're gonna try to walk on the treadmill today for maybe 2 hours if the situation allows us. And then I'd like to also hit an hour in the sauna, but those times might change because again, I you know, I'm the caregiver to my mom. She's not doing well, but that's what the goal is, and then to work on some music. So even if I gotta break these things up, that's kind of what the game plan is for the day. All right. Yeah, I want to do more videos. I eventually hope to, over the years, really build out this basement into a gym, and then mic up properly, throw some cameras down here, and really record the workouts. That way y'all can see the whole thing, more of a Sam Sulek kind of style of video. But that's the aspiration. I just am not one to record and talk in public in the middle of the gym. But a home studio, I'd love to do more. So anyways, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna continue to crush this workout, and then yeah, we'll eat one meal tonight. It'll be super clean. I wonder what I weigh in. I know I weigh in at the beginning, but remember, I don't know what it is because I weigh in right before I eat. So anyways, more love, more success.
What's up, y'all? It's pretty late. It's like 9:30. I just got out of the sauna. It was a rough day today, dealing with lots of stuff, but it's okay. I had to split up my workout, so I got an arm workout and then I walked for about 30 minutes this afternoon, and then around 7:30 I got on the treadmill again. Did a little warm-up, ended up doing a little bit of legs, a little bit of shoulders, just needed to move. And then I ended up sitting in this, walking for I think another 40 minutes, and then got in the sauna for a little bit. So I'm just about to step on the scale now. I know you see that at the beginning, but I'm just about to step on the scale right now. I just put some sausages and onions in the oven, and I got some chicken breast I'm gonna eat too. And then just hydrate and chill out. Yeah, sometimes, sometimes it's good to rest, and sometimes it's good to push through those hard days and work out hard, and that's what I did. Instead of sitting around, I just worked out. I also got some music stuff done, I'm just, you can get a lot done if you just really focus when you get the time, it's like, okay, an hour here, go hard, don't slack, just fucking go. Boom, we got 30 minutes here, 60 minutes here, 90 minutes here, it all accumulates, it all works. It might be hard, but you can train yourself to fucking start getting into things and get productive. So that's what I'm just trying to be in the mode for. And today, I think it was successful. Switching, anyways. Yeah, productive day. The next thing will be my one meal. All right, let's get it. All right, this is what I'm going to eat for dinner. I got about 350 calories worth of just chicken breast here, 65 grams of protein. And then I'm going to eat 3 of these sausages, which will be close to 1,000 calories and 40 grams of protein. And then I'm going to eat all those onions, and that's all I'm going to eat tonight. Nice and simple. It's going to be about 1,400 calories, maybe 1,500 calories with the onion, and 100 grams of protein. Simple, easy. Then I'm going to bed. More love, more success.